Alright guys, so if you guys remember last time when we were in class, long before spring break, we were talking about word problems, okay? So this is just a sample worksheet to kind of give you guys a reminder, but you guys will have a worksheet that looks very similar to this in live worksheets, okay? So I'm going to walk through this with you first. So our word problem says, Kim had 2 balloons. Her mom gave her 3 more balloons. How many balloons does Kim have in all? So here are going to be just some options for you guys to help you draw it or figure it out. So if Kim started with 2 balloons, I'm going to pretend like those are balloons, and then she got 3 more balloons. That's one way we can figure it out. Or we can use our 10 frame, and we can fill in the 2 balloons that she had originally, and then add 3 more. Or if we're more number people, we know that we had 2 balloons to start, and then we got 3 more. So one thing that we're seeing among all of these is that we started with 2, and we added 3. In the live worksheet, this is the only part that I'm going to want you guys to actually do. So how many balloons did Kim actually end up with? It looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, okay? And then this is a bonus question. I'm not going to have you guys do that, but I just want to make sure you guys are warmed up because we will be doing word problems tomorrow in our live lecture, okay? So, you guys will only have to do one of these pages on live worksheets. This is to help you. The only part that you need to fill out is the equation portion and then the answer. All right, guys, good luck.